given everything, right? Like I said, there's so much information about health and all the things that we can do. And we were talking about how having the intention is being different from actually doing and being consistent. So how do you think Filipinos can move from having the intention to be healthy to actually being consistent with it?
Again, it's starting small. Start with little habits. Start with everyday things. Sleep that extra hour in a day. Walk that extra 1,000 to 2,000 steps in a day. This I say to myself, maybe skip that misery once in a while, right? And then, because we have to balance, then maybe get to a point where you reward yourself a little bit and then get back on it the next day, right? So I don't think a cheat day ever hurt anyone, and from a standpoint of balance that helps. But we each, it's very personal again, and that's what we learned from reading Kelly. That's what I would say from a personal standpoint, but we all have a personal journey. I think the most important thing is really understanding your own needs, understanding what you like to do, understanding what you want to work towards. So some people will like running, some people will like high rock, some people will like other forms of movement, some people will prefer to meditate, to do yoga, to do Pilates. So it's different for all of us. And the trick really is taking the route that we enjoy so that it's not as burdensome, it's not as difficult, it's not as challenging, and it becomes much more sustainable over the long haul. So find what you love, take that first step, reward yourself every so often so that you can stick to it over the long run.
There you have it. And I think that's very reassuring. Of course, like Ms. Mel said a while ago, of course online we see many different kinds of wellness and health. Like mentioned High Rocks, very booming in TikTok right now. And even I am getting inspired to try High Rocks. But that's not for everybody, right? And I like that Ms. Mel said that we all have our own personal ways of exploring our health and the things that we like. Even if that means just sleeping for 1 extra hour. Sino natamaan dito, guys? Right? See you. It's okay. And you have to grant yourself that grace every now and then and always remind you it's always at your own pace, and balance, I think, is the key. So thank you so much, Ms. Mel, for, of course, indulging all of our questions. Let's give Ms. Mel a round of applause, of course, for sharing more of the insights behind the study of Rethink Healthy.